Go, welcome back. Saturday morning, I'm here at Te Oro in GI. We've got this Vagahau classes, and I was lucky enough to be asked to be one of the teachers. Yeah, I'm new on the scene. Saturday mornings, 10 till 12 p.m. noon, and yeah. Since my Vagahau Niue has gone a bit better, I'm able to come and teach just for the first half hour. You know, we'll see. After today I might get cut, like, bro, your stuff sucks. Whanola. But yeah, it's good, man. Got some good, if you're in the area you should come. Tina's got some good stuff. She's a retired teacher, I think, but she comes and does this for the community. My mum's there, she's a huge resource, and my sister Miss. She lived in Niue for a couple of years, so she's good. But yeah, gonna go in, find the class. Hello, hey, here for the Niue class, upstairs. Just upstairs, bro. Sorry, bro. Just finding out what room. Pretty flashy. Yeah. This time I come early, get my stuff ready. Yeah, make it a bit more relaxed this time. Yeah, but looking forward to it. As you can see, came prepared. Yeah, it should be good. But yeah, okay, we'll see if someone else can come and say something.
Good class today, really liked it. Good vibe in there. I really enjoyed the number of people. Yeah, it was awesome. I really liked the dance. That was the highlight of today. The dance was awesome. Dance was awesome. Very, very good interactive learning.
Yeah.
I liked the view. The class was fun. It was really good. I enjoyed it.
She always tries to, but
yeah. Hopefully, changes gets well. But yeah.
Forward. Hayden, vai kuku.
Aloha atu. The whanga e Vagahau Niue aonga. We just finished our third Vagahau Niue class, and building on my confidence to just Vagahau Niue. So
Hello.
we'll keep going.
Hey.
Practice our.
Hello. Lily.
E atu. How? Malolo nā kai?
Malalo whakaoe, malalo.
Malo whakaoe.
Yeah,
What have you learned today?
I just learned like how to use like different ways to say hello to like different amounts of people.
Awesome.
So like 3 or more is whakalawhalai atu ki matolo wasi.
Nice.
And I think 1 and...
So when you say hello to one person, what do you say?
I forgot, I think it was like...
Kalawhalai atu ki a koe?
Yeah, whakalawhalai atu ki a koe.
Yeah.
And to 2 people,
Yeah.
it's whakalawhalai atu ki a moa.
Yeah, nice. Awesome. And what do you think of the class overall?
Yeah, it's good. And like it helps me learn more Niuean words, so I can like speak fluent Niuean.
Oh, nice, bro. Nice.
Yep.
And you're good at saying the prayer too, eh? Yeah. Oh, cool, man. All right. Anything you want to say to people wanting to learn the Vagahau?
Yep. So come if you live in Glenelg, St. John's, or anywhere. You can just come. You can just come to Glenelg and come to Te Oro, and you just come up the stairs and it starts at like 10.
Yeah.
It starts at 10, and yeah, anyone can come. Anyone can come.
Cool. Fuck away, man.
I love learning about unga hunting today. That was tops from John.
Whakaoi, whakaoi.
Whakao Mui Niue.
For Mui Niue. Yeah, I love that one.
Whakaoi lahi. Well,
And presented that. Yeah,
Yes, me too. I fia lahi au ke whao Mui Niue ma John whakao lahi. Si kisi whakao ke he tau kau he neo mai hao. We have a big group today. That was the highlight for them. And learning Vagahau. Kamati.
wow. Whakaoi lahi, Tina, I really enjoyed all the stuff you teach. Yeah. Wow, yeah.
Sometimes I feel like I'm running out. Thank you.
Yeah. Okay. Hey, Siti.
Abi and let us MC. Yeah. So Stephen, you come. Stephen, you come.
Steven. Okay. Okay, Dave.